Hi everyone. Today is the 16th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this challenge, I daily bring some new word for you. So today first word is cascade. Cascade means something that falls or float down quickly in the steps. For example, water cascades down the hill. It means water is falling down from the hill step by step or very quickly. So in that condition you can say like the fountain. Next example, problem cascades one after another. So you can use this cascade in the different way also. Here I mentioned problem cascades one after another. So this sentence you can use in your normal conversation with your friends, colleague, or anywhere. Next, disaggregation. Disaggregation means breaking something into smaller parts or pieces for the better understanding. For example, use disaggregation for the clarity. If someone is explaining his idea but he is not able to deliver the proper in the proper way, so that time you can suggest use disaggregation for the clarity. It's related to report idea, yeah, any things can be. Next example, disaggregation makes things simple. So you can suggest disaggregation makes things simple. Next, orchestration. Orchestration means organizing and managing the different things so they work together smoothly. For example, the school function looked perfect due to neat orchestration. Due to neat orchestration means due to good management. Different thing have to manage if they're organizing any function. So in that sense you can use the orchestration. These words generally used in the presentation or any academic discussion. So you can use good planning needs a orchestration. This is a this sentence from the one meeting session. I took this example. Next word, in contrast. In contrast means you can use this phrase where you want where it is a two different thing and you are comparing the both things. For example, my village is peaceful. In contrast, the city is very crowded. She prefers tea. In contrast, I like coffee. Online classes are flexible. In contrast, offline classes are strict. So you can use this phrase very frequently in your normal conversation. Next, in in a nutshell. In the nutshell means in short or briefly summarized thing. For example, in a nutshell, the movie was awesome. Yeah, you can use the in short. The movie was awesome. So at place of the in short, you can use the in a nutshell. It is a advanced phrase you can say. Generally, people not use this word. So you started to use because it's very common. If you started to use, people slowly recognize your English. So another example, in a nutshell, we need to finish the work today. So this sentence from the office conversation, just you are talking with your colleagues or the juniors, so you can give the direction. In a nutshell, we need to finish the work today. In a nutshell, trips to Goa was the fun and the relaxing. Next word, tweaks. Tweaks means a small change or a small change to make the improvement something. For example, I made some tweaks to my resume before applying. The chef made small tweaks to the recipe. I did some tweaks to my bike to improve the performance. So wherever you are feeling that small changes can improve something, so that place you can use the tweaks in your sentence to suggesting you have to make the some tweaks to improve it, or they improve your communication if you are talking about in the terms of the communication. Next word is next word is lucrative. Lucrative means something that's make a lot of money or profit. For example, he left his job for the more lucrative opportunity. Real estate in the metro city is a highly lucrative. Or another example, starting a food delivery business can be lucrative. Or freelancing can be lucrative if you get good clients. So these all are the words. You try to make the sentence basis on the each word, and try to make the sentence basis on the real conversation. Suppose you are talking with your friends or the colleagues or the your any family member. So in that sense, you try to make the sentence and use it in your daily conversation one by one. It will not going to change suddenly, but slowly you can able to manage, and after 10 or 15 days you can realize how much improvement you got it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.